Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's been a while actually since I've done a GME video. I did recently get back from vacation, but it's nice to see that my charts have been playing out very nicely. Finally, our Wave 3 breakout is in the works, guys. The down sloping trend line, the breakout, the consolidation, the people who finally gave up, the comments were getting negative, that's it, they've given up, and then wham, we got a beauty of a 34% rally to where the price is right now. And right now it looks like we could have ended this correction already. Wave 4 dip, another fifth wave extension, and again we got a few more waves to go. Wave 3, 4, 5, and another one up here, and another one up here, and another one up here. So again, I think we're definitely making our way slow and steady towards 120, but people, are not going to be patient, in my opinion. They weren't patient throughout this. I've been charting this whole thing, giving you guys the setups on 1-2s, the corrective moves, and telling you guys that it's not always going to go up. And when we do go down, it's possible that it's still a dip buy opportunity, flat scenario held up, and then now we're breaking out. Now let's take a look to see what could be coming next. I got some new and some good news actually on Market Cipher. Market Cipher is showing some very good signs here that the market is turning towards the bulls. The shorts are definitely losing control. The bulls are regaining strength, and probably rightfully so. It's well deserved. They've been through the shitter, the ringer for the last like 3 years. So let's take a look here at the daily cycle. Let's start off with the weekly cycle. We'll start off with the weekly time frame, the bigger time frames here, so you guys can see the weekly time frame is definitely shaping up now. It's looking a lot better with the red money flow coming out. You got the momentum wave extending out as well. So things are definitely, looking up for the bulls right now in the larger time frames. The 4-hour time frame, big reduction in red money flow, almost back to the zero line, about to flip into the green. Green is good. Green is life. You can see when we cut into that green money flow last time on the 4-day time frame, what happened? What happened when we cut back into the green? Whoa! Right? It just takes over. So are we there yet? Not yet. But are we getting there? Definitely. Slow and steady. 3-day time frame already in the green, right? 3-day time frame. When it cut back into the green, you had a major pump that followed. Obviously, this is only like one example, right? The one example right there. You got another one here, cut back into the green money flow. Look at that pump that followed suit. So are we going to see more pumping on GameStop? Probably, right? But again, it's not guaranteed, and I don't want people to get hyped up too quickly and then go, YOLO all in at the highs. This is it, and then they end up losing their whole bag. The daily time frame 17 and the -3. So this is where we get into some more shorter time frame analysis. The daily time frame is looking like we got some bearish dual band strength index numbers. Even with today's price action, we did gap down, but we rallied back up. But we ended the day with some bearish numbers. However, when we dive into the smaller time frames, the 6-hour is printing a green dot and is showing that we should get this extended fifth wave, potentially to $32 to $42. But again, this may take some time. If the markets hold up, then that's going to be perfect. You're going to definitely see GameStop surge higher. Let's think. I think we get back here. Get on the 4-hour time frame. Also, lots of good signs here for the bulls. Green money flow. So being short and bearish on GameStop now is not a good idea. That's just my personal opinion, and things have been looking up. Let's take a look at the 1 hour real quick. So the 1 hour still got green money flow. This is where for those who didn't get into GameStop may have an opportunity to get in if this shorter time frame bearish scenario plays out. So if you're looking to get into GameStop because you missed the boat or whatever, if say the wave 3 ended here, what you want is an extended ABC pattern to play out down here, which would be picture perfect. If it could do something like this, then you'd have a nice setup for a buy opportunity down here if the price wants to go down here. Again, no guarantee that it does, but if it does, you have a chance to load up on maybe some more GameStop between $24.79 to $22.98, and it may be a nasty drop because it would be like a 14-15% drop that would definitely shake the tree. I don't think it would shake the long-term holders because they've been through all this, right? They've been through all that, so I think they'll be okay if this drops here, and it would actually set up for a nice buying opportunity for an extended fifth wave and possibly even erasing divergence. If you're able to erase divergence, this will definitely continue to take off. Taking out this divergence would mean a major pump. Like you're going to like 40, 50s and even higher. But we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at wave edge. So wave edge will give us some more insight as well to how this market's playing out. So this green cross last week on the weekly time frame back in October played out beautifully. It's continuing to rally higher now. 4-day, 3-day, nothing new. Daily time frame. So the daily time frame, you had some big players starting to take some profits here on GameStop. You saw significant selling from either smart money or a big player that just took profits, unloaded some GameStop, and that's probably why we dropped from 28 to all the way down to 26. It was like a 6-7% drop, but nevertheless, it got bought back up. It's already getting bought back up, but it's not to say that we can't go lower. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frames. So you're seeing some more smart money, big players taking profits around this area. It could easily start to pull back. This was a previous area of resistance, right around $29. I'd say maybe even like 29, 28, something like that, right around this area. You get this previous peak, so maybe that's probably why you're starting to see a little bit of selling. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. You got a little bit of selling there, and then the 24-minute. You can see they were selling along the way up, not too much. And then when you get on the 5-minute, this is where you saw a lot of selling into the close near the end of the day. Either the shorts are trying to pile in to try and push it back down because they're losing control, or this bearish scenario is going to play out. You're going to get an opportunity to buy some more GameStop if you want to buy some more GameStop, or if you want to open a position or whatnot around here. Okay, so right between 24 to 22. That is your area of interest to open a long position and then ride out the fifth wave and continue to ride it higher. Okay, so that's basically it. The market cipher, data here is definitely looking good. If it continues this way, it won't be long till we go get our boys at 120. Have a wonderful night, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.